Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. So friends, this video is related to very important update. So I posted one opportunity on our channel that is related to RadRob. It is a direct test hiring for all of you. One of the most important point, there is an important update that is related to this hiring. Okay, so when I visit their website, so RadRob is an online assessment platform in which companies are organizing their test. Okay, so basically the role is Python developer and the company name is Plotch.ai. Okay, RadRob is the official test platform and the company name is Plotch.ai. So basically you can search on Google that is related to Plotch.ai. They are hiring for Python developer role. As they mention that basically they want 0+ year of experience and location is remote. That's why I mentioned if you are from 2024 you can try to apply like basically if they will give you opportunity. Okay, so basically if they will give you opportunity, so you can directly apply for that. Otherwise if you are from 23, okay, 22 and 21 and you can apply directly for the opportunity because they mention 0 year of experience. Some candidates completed the examination. First of all, I have to mention one of the most important point. First of all, you have to sign up on the platform. Okay, that is a RadRob, and after that you have to log in and the test will like this. Okay, so there is a 18 question and 3 section. What does it means? So one of the most important point, they are hiring for Python developer role. So basically there are 3 section in the examination. First section is fundamentals. Okay, I will give you each and every example that is related to this hiring. Okay, second examination second section is libraries and third section is basically applications. Okay, so they are conducting the Python developer examination, and one of the most important point, I am giving one example for that section. So there is a fundamental library and application section and there are total number of 6. Okay, in the part like there is 3 questions in that, 3 questions in that like particular section wise. So 6 into 3, 6 to 12, 6 3 18, 18 questions are there. Okay, so basically 6 questions are for fundamental, 6 questions are for libraries and 6 questions are for application. Okay, let me give an example. So basically what are the fundamentals? So examination like what are the applications of Python or benefits of Python. Okay, so simply you have to write answer in the particularly tab they mention. अब यहाँ पर MCQ wise questions भी हो सकते हैं. There are pattern of MCQ questions in which you have to select 1, 2, 3 or 4 option. Okay, that is related, as well as you have to write logic of particular क्वेश्चन एज वेल. आपको बोल दिया कि इस फंक्शन का लॉजिक लिख के बता दो. ठीक है, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन तो फंडामेंटल वाले क्वेश्चन सेक्शन में क्या आ गया, आपसे बेनिफिट्स पूछ लिए गए या जो बेसिकली फंडामेंटल से पाइथन के. ओके, सो सिंपल एज दैट एक वेबसाइट बताता हूं, तैयारी कर लीजिए बहुत अच्छे से. अच्छे यहाँ पर आपको अच्छे रिसोर्सेज मिल रहे हैं. फ्रॉम W3 स्कूल यू कैन डायरेक्टली चेक द पाइथन सिंटैक्स, कमेंट्स, वेरिएबल, डेटा टाइप्स, नंबर. इसके पहले थोड़ा रिवीजन कर लेंगे तो आपके लिए भी अच्छा रहेगा. सो इन द फर्स्ट सेक्शन देयर आर फंडामेंटल इन विच पाइथन रिलेटेड फंडामेंटल विल आस्क, एंड सेकेंड सेक्शन इज लाइब्रेरीज. ओके, अब लाइब्रेरीज क्या होती है, नमपाई, पांडास. ठीक है, अब इनके ऊपर क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा सकते हैं. ठीक है, कि नमपाई क्या होता है, पांडास क्या होता है, या फिर इसका कुछ ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करके बताइए. इस टाइप से आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं. एंड द थर्ड सेक्शन इज दैट इज रिलेटेड टू एप्लीकेशन. ठीक है, एप्लीकेशंस का मतलब क्या होता है, द मीनिंग ऑफ एप्लीकेशन इज what are the real use of Python. Okay, real world use of Python and अदर रिलेटेड टू कि पाइथन कहाँ का यूज़ हो रही है, क्या क्या उसकी एप्लीकेशन है. सो फंडामेंटल, लाइब्रेरीज, और ये लाइब्रेरीज यहाँ पर है. ठीक है, लाइब्रेरीज के बारे में आप लिखेंगे तो नमपाई, पांडास, साइपाई, दी जैंगो, आपको सारी चीज़ें मिल जाएगी. तो बेसिक सारी चीज़ें भी आप यहाँ पर पढ़ सकते हैं. सो देयर आर 3 सेक्शन इन विच दे विल आस्क basically 18 question. 6 questions are particularly related to, so 6 2 12, 6 3 18, total 18 questions are there. So let's move on to next process. When you completed the examination, so on the myreddrop.io portal, your Python developer assessment exam is completed and graded. जब आप इस पे क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको अपना स्कोर भी दिख जाएगा. Okay, so that is related to this process. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Best wishes for examination. Thanks for watching the video. And आप Deloitte की preparation कर रहे हैं. So basically on 10:15 PM, Sagnik, our aptitude trainer, is starting a series that is related to general aptitude. So आप ये video भी check कर सकते हैं. Thanks for watching the video.